Hello friends, I am Aher Alka Rohidas from RBNB College, Rampur. I am from Physics Department. Today we study the 11th chapter, that is first chapter, Unit and Measurements. In this chapter we see the errors and types of errors and errors analysis. Now what is error? What is error? Error is faulty measurement of physical quantity. We see the physical quantity, that is the physical quantity which can be measurable. When we perform the experimental, we measures different physical quantity. For example, suppose we perform the experiment to measure the length, then in this experiment or in this performing experiment, we use the ruler, scale, etc. for measuring the length of any object. Now, what is the error here? Error is faulty measurement in the physical quantity. While performing the experiment, we come across the different measurements, and in this measurement, if there is fault in measurement of the object or of the physical quantity, is called as error. Then errors are having different types. There are two main types of error. See, what is the error? Error is, it is not mistake, but it is error. There is a slight change in the output. Now see, the error, there are two main types of errors. The first type is systematic error. Systematic error, and second type is, it is the random error. There are two main types of error, systematic error and random error. This systematic error, it is again classified into three groups. The first is, that is the instrumental error. Second type is, it is the error in the experimental technique, error due to imperfection in experimental technique. Now the third, it is personal error. See, there are errors having two main types, systematic error, random error. The systematic error is classified into three groups: instrumental error, then error due to imperfection in experimental technique, then personal error, and another main type is random error. Now here we see the instrumental error. While performing the experiment, we come across the error, or while performing the experiment, we measure the physical quantity. In this, suppose it is measured by instrument. Now, instrumental error, it is due to faulty instrument. This error is due to faulty instrument. Is called as instrumental error. Suppose we consider a vernier caliper. In this case, the vernier caliper, there is main scale reading and vernier scale reading. The zero of vernier scale is not coincide with main scale, then there is a error, and this error is due to the vernier caliper or due to instrument, then we can say that there is a instrumental error. There is a instrumental error. That is, there is a faulty and vernier caliper, there is error. Now suppose we consider a micrometer, faulty micrometer, micrometer screw gauge, micrometer screw gauge. In faulty micrometer screw gauge, the zero does not coincide with the line, or does not coincide with the zero. There is a error, and this error is instrumental error. Now suppose we consider ammeter. In ammeter, suppose there is zero is not coincide, or the pointer is not coincide with the zero, there is a error. It is instrumental error. Suppose we take a weight balance. In the laboratory, the pointer is not properly placed, there is a error, and this error is instrumental error. Suppose we take a thermometer. The zero of thermometer is not properly placed, there is a error, and this error is instrumental error. We see this example. Thus we can say that the instrumental error is it is due to faulty instrument. For the proper reading, for performing the experiment, we take a correct and in the displacement, or the incorrect or correct instrument, and there is no error. Instrumental error, it is due to faulty instrument. If we take the new instrument or the correct instrument, we can minimize this instrumental error. In case of ammeter, the pointer is placed properly. In case of weight balance, the pointer is exactly at zero, and in thermometer, the zero is exactly at its place. There is no error, or we can say that the error is minimized. The instrumental error is minimized. The instrumental error is due to faulty instrument. Now, second error, the second type, it is the error due to the imperfection of imperfection of experimental technique. Experimental technique. Suppose we consider wrong method, or there is defective setting. These errors are due to the defective setting of the experiment, and these errors are called as error due to imperfection of experimental technique. Suppose there is a untrained observer, the setting is wrong, and there is defective setting of experiment, there is a error in the experiment, and these errors are minimized by taking trained experimenter, trained observer, or trained recorder, where the errors are minimized. The errors are due to the defective setting in the experiment. It is called as error due to imperfection of experimental technique. Now the third we can say that third reading or third error, it is personal error. The errors are due to untrained observer, or the person which having the error it is called as personal error. The errors are due to untrained person, it is called as personal error. Due to the errors due to the observer, it is called as personal error, and we take here trained observer here. Now see, these are the different types of instrumental error. Then error due to imperfection in experimental technique, personal error. Now if these errors are minimized, and another type is, it is random error. Random error. See, the next type, it is random error. Random error. The errors are due to, suppose the instrumental errors are eliminated, the errors in experimental techniques are eliminated, personal error is eliminated, even though there is a error, and such a type of errors are called as random error. That is, suppose if all these errors are minimized, if there is sudden change in temperature, if there is sudden change in temperature, it affects the reading, and it is called as random error. Change in temperature. Then suppose if there is sudden change in pressure, there is error in the experiment. This type of error, it is called as random error. Suppose there is another environmental changes. There is an error. This type of error, it is called as random error. These are all about the error. Summarize, we can say that errors are of two types: systematic error, then random error. The systematic error are classified into three groups: instrumental error, errors due to imperfection of the experimental technique, and the third type is personal error, and the another main type is random error. These errors are, that is instrumental error, the error due to experimental technique, and the personal error can be minimized. The random errors are sudden change in temperature, pressure, and environmental changes. The errors are not avoided. This is due to environmental changes. Now we analyze the errors. See, estimation of errors. First, we can say that mean value. See, suppose we perform the experiment and we taken the readings. The number of readings are A1, A2, A3 up to AN. Then mean value can be taken, or mean value is equal to arithmetic mean of these, that is A1 plus A2 plus up to AN divided by N. This mean value, it can be written as sum of I varies from 1 to N, 1 upon N, and AI. This mean value, it is also called as most probable value. Most probable value. Most probable value. Arithmetic mean of each reading, and it is called as mean value. Then next, absolute error. Absolute error. Now in this case, see, mean value, suppose there are the reading that is 2.2 plus 2.3, 2.4, etc. and taken mean and divided by the number of reading, it is mean value. Now here we consider the absolute error. The absolute error is, it is the magnitude of, absolute error, it is magnitude of the difference between the mean value and each individual value is called as absolute error. Now the absolute error is denoted by delta A1. This is for A1, the absolute error can be taken as the mean of or magnitude of AM minus A1. This is called as absolute error in first reading. Suppose there is another reading, that is delta A2, it is the absolute error in second reading and it can be written as delta AM minus A2. Suppose there is error in third reading, it can be written as delta A3, it is equal to AM minus AM, and for AM minus A3, and for mth reading it is delta AN and it can be written as delta AM minus AN. These are called as absolute error. Suppose this is the first reading and the magnitude of AM minus A1 give the absolute error in first reading. Then suppose this is the second reading, AM minus A2 gives the absolute error in second reading, and so on. These are called as absolute error. Absolute error is magnitude of mean and magnitude of difference between mean value and individual value. Now mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. See, mean absolute error, it is arithmetic mean of absolute error. Arithmetic mean of absolute error. See, this is delta AM, it is called as mean absolute error. It is delta A1 plus delta A2 plus delta A3 plus up to delta AN divided by N, it is called as mean absolute error. Then mean absolute error, it can be written as summation I varies from 1 to n, 1 upon n, and this is delta AI. It is called as mean absolute error. This is the mean absolute error. Now the next, relative error. The relative error, it is ratio of mean absolute error divided by the mean value. It is denoted by mean absolute error divided by mean value, and it is delta AN divided by AM, it is the relative error. Then percentage error. The 100 relative error multiplied by 100, it is called as percentage error. Relative error multiply by 100, it is called as percentage error, and delta AM divided by AM multiply by 100, it is called as percentage error. This is all about the estimation error. It having the mean value, it is also error analysis. Mean value is given by arithmetic mean of the reading. Suppose there are reading A1, A2 up to AN, it can be written as A1 plus A2 plus AN divided by N. It is the mean value. Absolute error is it is the magnitude of difference between mean value and individual value. Mean absolute error is arithmetic mean of this absolute error. Relative error is ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value, that is delta AM divided by AM, and percentage error, that is relative error multiplied by 100, it is the percentage error, that is delta AM divided by AM multiplied by 100, it is called as percentage error. Thank you.